Welcome to Oldslegend, where cars regain their spark. But Oldslegend isn't just a repair shop, it's a story. Our story. It all started with a simple dream, to give every car, no matter how old or worn out, a second chance at life. Back then, we had little more than a set of tools, a small garage, and a big vision, to create a place where craftsmanship, honesty, and passion came together. Day by day, bolt by bolt, we built more than just engines, we built trust. Every customer who walked through our doors wasn't just someone needing a quick fix, they became part of the Oldslegend family. We've seen cars arrive here tired, broken, and forgotten. And we've watched them roll out of our shop full of life, ready to write new stories on the open road. That's what drives us, not just fixing cars, but restoring pride, memories, and legends. We owe you an apology. We know we haven't been as active here as we should have been. But guess what? We're back, stronger, better, and ready to take you behind the scenes like never before. This time, we're bringing exclusive content, fresh ideas, and a new spark that will truly marvel you. Stay tuned, because we'll be updating you from time to time on how we do the magic in our brand new auto repair shop. From our humble beginnings to where we are today, Oldslegend has grown because of one thing: passion. Passion for cars, passion for people, passion for excellence. And this is just the beginning. As we look to the future, our mission remains the same: to keep your wheels turning, your engines strong, and your journeys unforgettable. This is Oldslegend, where cars regain their spark, and legends are reborn.